Welcome to a new PLAID tutorial. With videos, the reach of demo events can be increased enormously. In our previous two tutorials, we gave tips on how to use interviews to create explanatory commentary tracks to use in videos. We also showed you how to shoot informative footage. In this video, we will show you how to combine commentary and footage with an editing program to create your film. For this, we will use the program Final Cut Pro from Apple. However, the basic workflow is the same in all editing programs. Each editing program is organized into three areas: the media bin, the timeline, and preview window. Here we have some clips from a machinery demonstration on incorporating green manure. After the demonstration, I conducted an interview with the advisor who had organized the demo, in which he explained the effect of the machinery. I start with editing the commentary provided by the advisor, as this forms the backbone of the film. I select the clips and drag them into the timeline. First, listen to the entire clip
Nous sommes aujourd'hui sur le terrain de...
and decide what is relevant and what can be deleted. In a second review of the commentary, I cut out any mistakes, as well as ums and ohms.
Sur une exploitation bio, Suisse Nautil, sur une exploitation bio.
When the comment track is finished, we can go on to the second step. I particularly love this step because this is where the film takes shape. I choose the best sequences from the footage material and place them at suitable positions.
Nous sommes aujourd'hui sur le terrain de l'exploitation d'Amiens Projet pour cette journée ABC.
Footage will illustrate what is being explained by the commentary.
Nous avons donc ici la trèflère qu'on appelle un scalper de précision.
Footage is also very useful to hide cuts you have made in a commentary track.
Le jour même en montrant les machines en mouvement.
At the end, titles and lower thirds are added. In the fine cut, you're giving the film a flow. Here you can add any music to the video. Make sure you adapt the rhythm of any pictures used to the rhythm of the commentary track and any music used. When the fine cut is finished, show your video to a friend and ask for any amendments. Then your video is finished. For more information, please download the PLAID video guide at the Farm Demo website.